morning, everyone. Today class is continued in that previous class. In a previous class, we discussed Gauss law and its proof, and also the applications of Gauss law. Today, we explain or we discuss about the another concept. The concept is a electric potential or potential difference. Electric potential. Electric potential or potential difference. What is electric potential or potential difference, and what is the application? Why the potential is required to need? So, electric potential or potential difference between two points by using the scalar quantity. Earlier, the electrical charge around the charged body described by using a vector quantity the intensity of electric field. So, we established the relation between electric potential, a scalar quantity, the intensity of electric field, and also a vector quantity. We have to know only one of them. The electric field is already we studied in the previous classes. Now discuss about the electric potential. So let us consider 2 points A and B. Let us consider 2 points A and B in the electric field. Let us consider 2 points A and B in the electric field. We can imagine a test charge Q naught in the between the 2 points. The test charge in the between the 2 points. If the test charge Q naught moving from A to B, if the test charge moving from A to B, we have to done some work. That work is nothing but WAB. W suffix lo AB. Okay. Let us consider 2 points capital A and capital B in the electric field. We can imagine a test charge Q naught in between the 2 points. If the test charge is moving from A to B or B to A, suppose B to A, the work is BA. So, the test charge is moving from A to B. We have to do some work. That work is W suffix AB. So now calculate the work done per unit charge. That means the work done per unit charge equals to WAB by Q naught. That means the work is required per unit test charge is equals to potential or potential difference. Okay, the work done per unit charge equals to WAB by Q naught. That one is equals to electrical potential or potential difference. That means the potential difference VB minus VA equals to W work done by test charge. VB minus VA. VB is nothing but the electrical potential or potential difference at a point A. That means VA. At the same time, the potential at a point B is nothing but VB. The electrical potential, those particular 2 points AB, the potential difference is VB minus VA equals to WAB by Q naught, or the work done by test charge. If the point A located at infinite distance from the electrical field, that means A is infinite distance from electric field, that means VA equals to 0. The potential becomes 0 when the considering point is infinity distance from the electric field. So which point is we considering? The considering point at an infinity distance from the electric field. At that particular point, the potential or the potential difference becomes 0. VA equals to 0. So what is the equation? The equation can be written as VA equals to 0. So that one is 0. Therefore, the potential or the potential difference equals to, so work done by Q naught is the potential or the potential difference. So by using the equation, now the potential or the potential difference can we define. What is the statement? So now the statement write on. So clearly we see the equation, potential or the potential difference equals to work done by test charge. That means the work is required per unit test charge. Okay, so statement. Electrical potential statement is nothing but the work done to be taken a unit positive test charge. The work done to be taken a unit positive test charge from infinite to finite region. The work done to be taken a unit positive test charge from infinite to finite region is called electrical potential or potential difference. Okay, The work done to be taken a unit positive charge from infinite to finite region. So that required work is called the electrical potential is the statement, or by using the formula to give another statement. What is the formula? Work done by test charge. That means the work is required per unit test charge, or the ratio between work done to test charge. For our conveniently we can define by using the formula, whatever it may be. So okay, is the statement of electrical potential or potential difference. The electrical potential is measured in SI units. The units is nothing but in SI units is nothing but to volts. So 1 volt equals to 1 joule by 1 coulomb is by using the formula. Work is nothing but joule and charge quantity is nothing but coulomb. In generally, the potential or the potential difference measured in SI units, that units are volts. Volt is nothing but by using the formula 1 joule by 1 coulomb equals to 1 volt. Okay, is the electrical potential or potential difference. So is the important role when the current or the electricity is passing one to another, there must be required a potential or the potential difference. Potential or the potential difference is required to need when the current is flow or passing through conductor one end to another end or one place to another place. So is the most important role when the current is passing through that materials. So depends upon the potential charge, positive and negative. That means where the positive charges are increased, the voltage or the potential is increased. The positive charges are increased. Where the positive charges are increased, the voltage or the potential is increasing. Negative charge is increased, the voltage or the potential is decrease. So is the maximum voltage and the minimum voltage. That means positive charges are increased, the voltage is increased. Negative charges are increased, the voltage decrease. So we see the circuit in a battery symbol is the, and the shortest and tall is nothing but positive and negative. That means is the maximum voltage or minimum voltage. So the figure, the current or the electricity passing in that direction because of highest to lowest. Where the highest is nothing but where the positive charges are increased, the voltage or the potential is increased at the maximum. Where the negative charges are increased, the voltage or the potential is decreasing. So in a battery system symbolism, we tallest and shortest, tallest indicate positive and negative is maximum and minimum. So the direction of flow of current in the direction. So that means the general direction of flow of a current, maximum to minimum. Okay. So next we see the another one, the application of electrical potential. What is the equation? Electrical potential electric potential at a point due to electric potential at a point due to a point charge. Application of the electrical potential at a point due to a point charge. That means what is the equation of electrical potential or electric potential? So see that too. So clearly see that one. Is the positive charge. That means we consider an isolated positive charge. Okay, we consider an isolated a positive charge at a point O. At a point O. We can imagine a test charge we can imagine a test charge Q naught, a test charge Q naught located at a point P at a distance small x from that point O. For our conveniently, we consider a point B at a distance small r from O. We can imagine a point A at a infinite or infinity distance. Infinite or infinity distance. Due to the positive charge, the intensity of electric field in the direction, that means from O to A, the intensity of electric field or electric field towards or in the direction from O to A, O to capital A. The test charge Q naught is moving opposite to the field direction. Opposite to the field direction. That means the test charge is moving from A to O or opposite to the field direction. Opposite to the field direction by the application of force. When we applied some external force on test charge, the charge is displaced a small distance or a small displacement. The small displacement is dx. Okay, the small displacement dx. In a small displacement, the work done is nothing but dw. Okay, by the definition of work done, when we applied some external force on the charge or on the body is moving in the force direction, then we say some doing some work. Statement of work done. So according to the work done, when we applied some external force on the test charge, the charge is moving. That means the charge is moved a small displacement. The small displacement is nothing but dx. What is the work done? When the charge is getting a small displacement, the work done also very small. That means in a dx displacement, the work done is nothing but dw. By the definition of work, what is the formula? Work is nothing but force and displacement. Work is nothing but dot production of force and displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement is nothing but dx. Then what is the work done? Work done is nothing but dw. So by the statement of work, that means dw equals to f dot dx. Okay, so that one is right. dw equals to f dot dx. dw equals to f dx cos theta, because of dot a dot b equals to ab cos theta. Clearly see the figure. The field is in the direction and displacement is in the direction. Is the displacement direction, is the field direction. Both are opposite to each other. E bar and dx displacement both are opposite to each other. What is the angle between? That means angle is nothing but 180. So dw equals to f dx into cos 180. dw equals to f dx cos 180 minus 1. That means dw equals to minus f dx. Okay. dw equals to minus f dx. But we want to calculate the total work because of total displacement. Kabatti, so therefore total work done integral dw integral f dx. That means w equals to integral f dx. By using the intensity of electric field, but E equals to F by Q. Here the Q naught. F equals to EQ naught. But E equals to, already we know E equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. R is nothing but distance x, that means x square. So both are substitute in that equation. Okay. F equals to EQ naught, that means W equals to integration of F is nothing but EQ naught into dx. W equals to integral E is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square, nothing but E. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x square into q naught into dx. Okay. W equals to minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught integration of 1 by x square into dx. Here clearly we can observe what is the statement of electric potential. The work is required when the charge is or when the test charge is moving from infinite to finite, that means infinity to finite, infinity to, that means infinity to finite r is the measurable distance or finite distance, that means limits running from infinity to r by the statement of potential. Okay, potential statement, what is the statement? The work done is required when the test charge is moving from infinite to finite. Here the finite distance and infinite distance, so moving from infinity to r. So minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught, here 1 by x square integration, that means minus 1 by x infinity to r, limits running from. So minus q naught by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 1 by r, upper limit minus lower limit, minus of minus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is nothing but 0, minus into minus kabatti 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. So is the work done. Therefore work is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r. Now calculate the potential. That means potential V equals to work done by test charge formula, by using the formula. The work done is nothing but V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r by q naught. V equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q naught by r into 1 by q naught. So therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r is the voltage. Okay, is the application of electric potential. The electric potential at a point due to a point charge.